Good morning students. I am Komal Agarwal for math teacher of Jakhar Public Secondary Shikshan Sansthan Tityari. I am going to start your online class. Today is 30th April and Thursday. And listen carefully student for class 7th. Today I started for chapter first integers. In previous class review exercise read about review exercise. Today I read about word problems. Firstly come on page number 20. Word problems. Question first. A six-story building at 36 meter height. A six-story building has 36 meter height. A monkey can climb 3 meter in one jump. In how many jumps can the monkey reach the top of the building? So first question is saying height of a building. The six-story building has height. How many heights? 36 meter height in this building. Okay. Then next point is a monkey can climb 3 meter in one jump. Monkey can climb in 3 meter in one jump. Okay. In how many jumps? Question asked to you. In how many jumps can the monkey reach the top of the building? So monkey jumps. Can the monkey jump reach the top of the building? Is 36 divided by 3. So 36 divided by 3 equals to 12 jumps. Can the monkey reach the top of the building? Okay. So 12 jumps is the answer in this question. Okay. Then next question number second. The temperature of a particular place at the noon on a winter day was 5 degrees Celsius. At midnight the temperature had dropped by 12 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature at midnight? Okay. So first line is saying the temperature of particular place at noon on a winter day. Temperature at the noon on a winter day. How many temperature? 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Then next line is at midnight the temperature had dropped by 12 degrees Celsius. Temperature dropped at midnight by 12 degrees Celsius. Okay. So next asking the question is what was the temperature at midnight? The temperature at the midnight is 5 minus 12 equals to minus 7 degree Celsius. Okay. Minus 7 degree Celsius answer in this question. Okay. Now question number third is Vaibhav. Vaibhav had rupees 20 with him. He spent rupees on Monday. Got rupees. He spent rupees 8 on Monday. Second line is got rupees 5 as pocket money on Tuesday. Then gave rupees 7 loan to a friend on Wednesday. Ate an ice cream worth rupees 10 on Thursday. Received a reward of rupees 5 from his grandfather on Friday. How much does he have on Sunday if his friend repay the loan on Saturday? Okay. Now come on solution. What is the solution is this question? Okay. So first line is saying Vaibhav had rupees 20 with him. So Vaibhav had rupees 20 rupees with him. Okay. Then he spent rupees on Monday. He spent rupees on Monday. How many rupees on Monday? 8 rupees on Monday. So he have money now. He have money from his with his 12 rupees on Monday. Okay. He have money 12 rupees. Now next point is say rupees 5. He got rupees 5 as pocket money on Tuesday. He got rupees 5 as pocket money on Tuesday. So he got rupees 5 rupees on Tuesday. So 12 plus 5 equals to 17 rupees. Now he have money 17 rupees. Next point is saying gave 7 rupees loan to a friend on Wednesday. On Wednesday, he gave 7 rupees loan to a friend. Okay, so he gave loan to a friend 7 rupees loan. Then 17 minus 7 equals to 10 rupees. So he have money equals to 10 rupees. Now next line is saying he ate an ice cream worth rupees 10 on Thursday. So He ate an ice cream. He ate an ice cream on Thursday. How many rupees? 10 rupees. So he have no money because all money is expenses is spend this. Okay, so he have no money now. Now next line is saying he received a reward. He received a reward of rupees 5 from his grandfather on Friday. He received a reward. Okay, how many rupees from his grandfather on Friday? So 5 rupees. Okay, now last line is saying if his friend repay the loan on Saturday, loan how many rupees, how much rupees loan, 7 rupees loan gave to his friend on Wednesday. Now he repay on Saturday, so he repay on Saturday 7 rupees loan. So 5 plus 7 equals to 12 rupees. Now he have money on Sunday, 12 rupees. Okay, this is answer in this question. And next question number 4 and 5th, do in your homework. Okay, then MCQs, multiple choice question, thinking skills, do in your homework. Okay, now next point is value based question. First question is Mohit is a student of class 7th. He save rupees 150 every month from his pocket money to purchase books for poor students. How much money will he save in 1 year? Okay, so Mohit saves. Mohit save money in every year 150 rupees. Then how many months in a year? 12 months in a year. Then he mon- he save money in a year. He save money in a year. 150 equals to multiply by 12 equals to 1800 rupees he saves in a year. Okay, then mental max do in your homework. And puzzle time do in your homework. I explain this how can you solve it. First point is across given 1 to 7 question in given in this across means straight line solve. So give you answer in this question in straight line. Then down given 2 questions, and down according to question this in a vertical line. Okay, so properly do solve in this homework. And any problem if you can ask me. Thank you.